132 वर्सां आधी ग्रोवर क्लिवलँड 2 फावटी अमेरिकेचे राष्ट्राध्यक्ष जाल्ले. 1884 आणि 1892 वर्सा 4 वर्सांच्या अंतरान ग्रोवर हांणी वेंचणूक जिखिल्ली. तेच प्रमाण ट्रम्प हांणी 4 वर्सांच्या अंतरान परतून वेंचणूक जिखल्या. तांच्या रिपब्लिकन पक्षाकूय भोवमत मेळ्ळा. अमेरिकेंतल्या 538 जाग्यांमदले 277 जागे रिपब्लिकन पक्षाक मेळ्ळ्यात. भोवमता खातीर 270 जाग्यांची गरज आसता. तशेंच कमला हॅरिस हांच्या पक्षाक 224 जागे मेळ्ळ्यात.
Political victory that our country has never seen before, nothing like this. I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th president and your 45th president. And every citizen, I will fight for you, for your family, and your future. Every single day I will be fighting for you, and with every breath in my body, I will not rest until we have delivered the strong, safe, and prosperous America that our children deserve and that you deserve. This will truly be the golden age of America. That's what we have to have. This is a magnificent victory for the American people that will allow us to make America great again.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV.